Hi TK, happy Monday. All right, we have learned so much through those two videos about our plants, right? The first thing that we learned is the things that a plant needs to survive, right? And the first one is what? What was the first thing that a plant needs to survive? Water, right? The plant needs water in order for it to drink its nutrients, right? And the next thing that it needs is sunlight, right? Sunlight helps it grow big and strong. The next thing that it needs is air. And sometimes what you hear is people talking about how plants need oxygen and they need carbon dioxide, right? And they produce oxygen, which helps us. But they do need air. And the last thing that they need is soil, right? We see our soil right here, and that helps bring it the nutrients that it needs to survive also. And so all you wanted to do with this worksheet was just to color it, right? And we watched our video on that. And now moving on to our next one is we have to label all of the different parts. And so I showed you guys a song, a really cool song, right, about the different parts of a flower or different parts of a plant, okay? And so we are going to label it together. The first one is this one, and we're going to try to find the stem, okay? Let's try to find the stem. Is the stem up here? No. Is the stem down here? Does it go underneath the dirt? It doesn't, right? The stem is right here. So I want you to take a minute, and I am going to color it with you, and we are going to color the stem together. Okay? Let's see. No, there's my green. Let's color the stem together. All right, and the stems are typically green. They can sometimes be brown, and they can actually sometimes even be red. Could be many different colors, but our flowers have green stems. Okay, moving on to the next one. We are going to try to find our roots. Okay, do our roots go above in the sunlight? No, they don't, right? The roots grow underneath the ground, and so they go right here. I'm going to move it up a little bit so that you can see the roots. And the roots are what holds the flower into the ground, right? And so let's color our soil really fast. Let's color our soil. And let's also color our roots, okay? Let's color our roots brown so that we remember that they are underground, right? Okay. The next thing that we have is the word petal, right? Petal. And the petals of our flowers are what make them so beautiful most of the time, right? And our petals are like decoration for the flower, right? So that our petals are pointing up there, right? Because these are called leaves and these are petals. So let's color our petals really fast. And you can color them whatever color you want. Just because I'm doing orange doesn't mean that you have to too. Man, our farm week is going to be so cool this week. I'm so excited for you to see everything that I have planned for you. We have STEAM challenges planned, and we have a really cool arts and crafts planned. You guys are going to have so much fun. Okay, our petals. All right, the last one is our leaf, right? So where are our leaves? Is it over here? No, it's right here, right? So let's color our leaves. Our leaves are green. You guys can color it whatever color you want, but I encourage green. All right, TK. Well, we just labeled all the parts of the flowers, and I have a challenge for you. I want you to go show your family. You are going to be a botanist. Say botanist. A botanist is a person who studies plants, okay? And you are going to go be a botanist to your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or aunt or uncle or brother or sister